Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I stand to move the TSC amendment, to move the TSC Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 27 of 2024, to be read a second time. And as I do that, Honorable Speaker, I'll give a context. Honorable Speaker, statistics indicate that there are more than 3,300 head of schools and deputy heads of schools in acting capacity. Honorable Speaker, other estimates by teacher unions indicate that up to about 99,000 teachers might be acting in various capacities. This is a significant backlog in acting position, which has created a leadership crisis in schools, making succession planning a big headache for stakeholders. Honorable Speaker, some of these acting administrators of schools have been made to act for a very long period, some for 2 years, some for more than 2 years, 3 years. And when these positions come up for substantive filling, advertisement is made, and sometimes somebody is recruited in that position as a substantive head teacher or a deputy head teacher, bypassing the person who has been acting for 2 to 3 years. And these administrators, during the period they act, they don't enjoy any acting allowance or any special duty allowance because of the way their contracts have been designed. Honorable Speaker, some of the acting administrators hold even more than 2 acting positions or one acting position. For example, somebody is given an acting position as a deputy head teacher in a certain school, and then after 1 year, he is taken to another school again to act as a principal, making that person become having 2 acting administrative positions. Honorable Speaker, these prolonged acting appointments without compensation erode motivation, it discourages retention, and weakens succession planning in schools leadership. It is as a result of this that this bill seeks to formalize and entrench fairness in acting appointments to be made in a structured manner, and streamline allowances that go with it. Honorable Speaker, the bill defines the period of acting to be between 1 month to 6 months, after which the acting administrator, after which the position could be filled substantially, either by the acting administrator or whatever mechanisms that picks on somebody else. The bill also provides for the qualification and remuneration for the appointment in acting capacity. Honorable Speaker, the bill also prohibits appointments in more than one position. There are some countries, Honorable Speaker, which have grappled with this similar problem, and they have had some very good case studies that we can learn from. For example, in Finland, acting administrators are clearly defined and compensated within structured career progression frameworks, ensuring fairness. In South Africa, acting appointments are formally recognized with acting allowances for stipulated period. It is with that kind of a background and context.
Chairman, for the benefit of the chair, we are not all teachers. Acting as what?
I had said earlier, acting either as a head teacher or a deputy head teacher.
Okay.
So we call them acting administrators of schools.
That has got to be clarified. It doesn't seem to be. It just says acting, teachers. You don't act as a teacher. If you're a teacher, you're a teacher.
Acting administrators, either as head teachers or as
responsibilities, yes.
As
so
deputy
maybe
head teachers. Therefore, I beg to move the bill to be read a second time, and I will ask Honorable Dorothy Mudhoni to second. Thank you.